My name is Ronnie Johncox, and I'm the owner of Big Steel Rack and Técnica Chassis. Técnica Chassis has done business with Lincoln Electric since our inception in 2019. Again, we selected Lincoln Electric to be our partner, and we've had a great working relationship since the beginning of Técnica Chassis. Without Lincoln and the depth and support that they provide, in addition to great equipment, we would not have the success that we have today. I toured the FABTECH show, actually, and decided after looking at all the equipment that I wanted to have Lincoln Automation and Lincoln Welding as our partner to produce these cars. We've been using these welders every single day. The automation cells every single day. We have not had a single day that we have lost production in 5 years now by using Lincoln Automation. Not one single production day lost. We chose the Fab-Pak system because the user interface was very user-friendly, very intuitive. We had experience with the Lincoln and FANUC systems previously, and we literally were able to put it in the hands of our technicians, and they were able to weld on day one. Lincoln Electric absolutely will be part of our future growth. In fact, we've taken older machine tools and upgraded them to the most modern Lincoln Electric systems in all of our facilities. By the end of next year, we will be exclusively Lincoln Automation and Lincoln Welding.